The universe is a fascinating study of things outside the Earth in space. The National Aeronautic and Space Administration Space Program, or NASA, regularly makes discoveries about things in space. NASA has made its website very student-friendly. You will need internet connection to find nasa.gov. If you don't have internet at home, try finding this site at a public library. Go to the search box in the top right-hand corner of the page and type in what you are studying. For example, Jupiter's moons. A number of articles and videos are available. Pictures and factual information on NASA are fascinating, but, however, we caution you about one thing, and that is NASA does not have a Christian worldview. They assume that the Earth and the universe evolved over millions of years. They are actively seeking for other living things in the universe that evolved in other places than Earth. To find scientists who have Christian worldviews, you can look on the internet for these organizations.